Hello everyone. Welcome to NMNI5103 Trends and Issue in Nursing online course. I am very pleased to see you here. This course focuses on the trends and issues in nursing that is commonly faced by nurses and nursing in areas of clinical, teaching, and research. The guide will begin with ethical issues in nursing practice. Following that is issues on professional nursing practice and management of patient care, issues in delivering care, future direction in professional nursing practice, transcultural care nursing, and finally, information technology in nursing. Each of the topics will have subtopic which is relevant and applicable to nursing practice and professional needs. We have Google Meet meetings, e-lesson, e-forum session, and so much more. Also, this course page has learning resources that have been uploaded and embedded. So, explore and enjoy MindInspire at your own personal learning space that you can access anytime, anywhere, every day. Before I go, mark your calendar for the e-tutorial session where you can ask the question you have in your mind. See you soon.